Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies, step by step. First, let's get our wet ingredients ready. Begin by creaming together 1 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Next, add 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar and beat for another minute. Finally, mix in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring everything is just combined. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. It's time to get these delicious cookies into the oven. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. Your amazing homemade chocolate chip cookies are now ready to enjoy. For the best texture and flavor, allow them to cool completely before indulging. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep them fresh. And hey, while you're enjoying your treats, why not make cleanup easier? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.